Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Nested loops in Java can look intimidating, but we can solve this problem quickly by breaking down how many times each loop actually runs today. First, look at the outer loop where the variable m starts at 0 and goes up to k. This means the outer loop will execute exactly k times in total here. Next, check the inner loop where n also starts at 0 and runs until it reaches k. This inner loop also executes k times for every single pass of the outer loop. Since we have k iterations inside another k iterations, we multiply them. That gives us k times k, making option E our final answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid a rush to judgment. Trust the given code and check your steps carefully.